Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this new Queen Bee Lipsense that was released at the Synergens yearly conference first impression application, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, sorry I haven't been posting videos. I had technical difficulties. I would record a video and I would finish it and then I would go to post it and there was no sound, and it happened on almost all my videos. So hopefully this one has sound. I have been testing it, check 1 2 1 2, and yeah, I am back, and for some reason YouTube keeps adding views and then taking my views away. I have no idea why that is happening. If you know, please put a comment down below. I'm here to test out first impression of this Queen Bee Lipsense. It is brand new to Synergens. I'm super excited to try it out. I will put a link down below so that you can shop this Lipsense or any Lipsense with the gloss and the oops remover. So I have seen pictures of this and it looks kind of similar to Kiss My Sass, but a little bit different. Hold that thought because I forgot a tool I really need to use for the Lipsense, so hold that thought. Okay, the most important part I forgot to grab before I started this video. So, if you don't know what Lipsense is a liquid lip color that turns to powder. Lipsense, let's start over. It's Friday, I'm pre-recording this. Lipsense is a liquid lip color equal up to 3 tubes of regular Lipsense. It lasts from 4 to 18 hours. It's smudge-proof, kiss-proof, waterproof. It is wax-free, light-free, cruelty-free, vegan-free, not tested on any animals, doesn't have any animal products in it. It is gluten-free and made in the US. So, here I go. The first thing you want to do is you want to get a damp rag and wipe off all the food and the junk off your lips, and you want them clean and dry. Okay? Now, it doesn't matter if it's the first time using the Lipsense or the 20th time. You want to shake it up for about 30 seconds. And if you hear that clicking noise, it's actually a ball mixing or bead mixing up your color. So you want to add 3 thin layers in the same direction, and after the 3rd layer you want to add gloss. It is a must. So this is sealed brand new. I am super excited to try it. Hopefully I'll like it because I like purples. And also, I will put a link down below so that you can shop this color or any color, and it's free shipping of $100. You get free samples. Any product spend $150. You get free samples, your products, and a free gift, and we don't know what that is. But right before you go to check out, you want to click that preferred customer little box because it helps me and it helps you. It gives you 10% off all your purchases all year round. So here I go. I won't be able to talk in between the layers so you can go in and fix it up. But here we go. Here, I opened it. And before you apply each layer, you want to wipe off the excess, because we don't want the excess. And I'm gonna try the top of my lip first. And I always start on the bottom. So let's try the top. Here I go. Here's layer 1. Wow. Okay. Here's the top. Forgot. Okay. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds to dry. I like it. There's the first layer. It isn't matte. There's no shimmer and it's not frosty. So, here I go. Dry to the touch. You don't want it to be tacky. You want to make sure it's dry. So here's layer 2. Layer 2. And I kind of messed up right there, but that's what it's is for. Wow, I really, really like this color. So pretty. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. It's kind of weird not doing videos or doing videos and then not uploading them. I don't know. It's my passion. So, here I go. Make sure it's dry to the touch. A little bit tacky. Could go a little bit longer. I don't know about you, but I rather apply my lipstick once in the morning and then have it last all day and don't have to retouch it up. So, that's a lot of product. Here is layer 3, dry to the touch. I see a little bit. Oh shoot. Same direction. Had some leftover. Put it on here. This is layer 3. I really, really like it a lot. It's almost like Amore or the mini one. And it also looks like Giddy Up, kinda. Like a little bit darker, I think. I've never tried it. So, waiting for that to dry. Then I can add the gloss in. Okay. Still tacky. And when you put the gloss on, if it's still tacky, you need more once it's dry to your lips. So, still tacky. And we call that the spit suck, or suck, no, spit suck, because you suck up all your spit. So, if you're like me and you've seen me do Lipsense, I usually do my mascara and everything. I wanted to try this for you guys myself. Okay, a little bit too much. Still drying. I really like it. I might like Giddy Up. That might be my next one to try. I don't know. I love purples. Almost dry. Still a little bit tacky. Oh, by the way, I have a little short video. It has over 2,700 views or something like that. If you go into my shorts, you can see it. I think that's why YouTube is giving me views and then taking them away. I don't know how the shorts work. So, yeah. Okay, dry. There's nothing on the wand. That's just really old. That's because I didn't wait. So you don't have to go in the same direction that you started with. And if it still feels a little bit tacky, means you need more glossy gloss, like I said. Then you want to rub your lips together to seal it in. This is what it looks like. So pretty. So I'm going to finish up here and come back with the end result. But there's nothing on my hand. Do you see? Nothing. Okay? Nothing. Nothing. I'd rather have my lipstick applied once a day and go throughout my day without retouching it up. So I'll come back with the end result for you guys. Okay, so I'm back with the end result and I'm more natural lighting. This is how it turned out. I love it. It might be my new favorite. I don't know, there's a lot of new ones. Queen Bee was actually released when Synergens did their annual conference, and they came out with new products. I highly recommend this shade. It is matte, it is kiss-proof, smudge-proof. I can drink coffee, I can have water, I can eat like hamburger that's messy, and it will still stay on. Like, it is amazing. I can even go to the dentist and apply it before I go to the dentist, and they can work on my teeth and do anything and everything that they need to do, and afterwards it doesn't budge. It stays on through that whole thing. So if you are wanting to purchase it and get a discount, please click the link, and then right before you go to checkout, click that little box that says preferred kitchen towel customer and purchase it, and you get 10%, but you get free shipping if you spend $100 and you click that link. So, and you get free shipping and a free gift of $150, and click that button so you get a discount. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. And yeah, thanks for watching again.